Hello, today I'll be talking to you about the variable star VX Ind. A variable star is any star whose observed light varies notably in intensity. The changes in brightness may be periodic, semi-regular, or completely irregular. I did a project to find out the brightness of the variable star VX Ind. I did this project over a period of 5 to 7 hours. The results did shock me, as I didn't think that the star would get so brightly so quickly. I had a few different people help me with my project. I had my science challenge teacher, Mr. Longman, and I also had the chance of someone come in from ICAR, whose name is Melissa. It was a really fun project to do, and I really enjoyed it. To see if the variable star VX Ind will change brightness over a 7-hour period during the night. My hypothesis is that I think that the star will not be really bright to start out with, but it will grow in brightness over a period of seconds. My method. This project took a couple of months to figure out what star I will be doing, when I will do it, and what I will do with it. Initially, we were going to look at the moon, and how the brightness of the moon changes with time. This was not possible, as the moon was too bright to image with the Spirit 2 telescope. Then we looked at UY Scuti as a variable star to look at. It would have been interesting, as it is the largest known star. It was not imageable, as it was blocked by stars in the center of the Milky Way. In this graph, you can see that the brightness of the variable star changes very quickly, going from a near 0 to 4 on the power spectrum scale in 0.1 seconds. Then it decreases and remains stable at about 2.5 on the power spectrum scale for the rest of the light curve. We can't say what happens after this, as I did not have enough images and have not acquired the photos for a long enough period. The discussion. I could have done this experiment over a longer period of time so that I could have made more patterns and data for this star. It would help me to make my data more accurate and the light curve longer. Anywhere from 20 to 40 hours of recording might have allowed me to complete the light curve. Also, it would be showing me if there was any recurring patterns in it. In this project, I found out that variable stars like VX Ind are always changing in their brightness. Also, my hypothesis was completely incorrect. Instead, the star got very bright to start out with, and then got dimmer. This reaction was over a 1-second period. Thank you for looking at my project.